Matthew just sent in a question here on YouTube. Do the DPs still rely on WDS? I know ConfigMGR has its own Pixie service, but I've noticed on my DP it has WDS installed. I use the hydration kit to set up my test lab.
Well, yes and no. These days you have the option. So if I go over to one of my DPs here, this one runs the responder. And here you have the choice. If you select both of this, you get this. You get the native responder. And the beautiful thing about that one is that it works on both servers and clients. It's a somewhat lighter service, and in general, the better option to pick. If you clear this checkbox, this one here, then it's going to install Windows Deployment Services instead. And that requires a server and has more overhead. And over the years, it's been known to breaking here and there when Microsoft does updates. So I happen to like the new responder better. So I would keep this one here and use that one instead. So it's up to you, but there is no dependency on WDS. It's just that it can use it if you wanted to use it. The only technical reason could be multicast, and nobody should be doing multicast anymore. If you need performance of your imaging, do peering of the content, it's way better. Because the more machines you deploy, the quicker it goes.
Ken added in here, I actually like the verbosity logging of WDS-less Pixie over the traditional WDS Pixie.
Yeah, that is a good point, because if I go to the log files, and it still uses the old tricks for performance that you may have for older Pixie servers. You can set block size and window size and whatnot. But to Ken's point here, if I have over to it, the log files are being created. That there is good information here that we didn't have before. So I like it. Every time you boot a device, you see directly what type of deployment it has for it, what architecture it is, and what deployments that has been denied. So for example, this machine here that I started up earlier, at some point, it basically said you're not allowed this, or this. The reason is those sequences are ARM deployments. And this is a 64-bit device, and, well, cannot deploy ARM to a regular 64-bit device. So, good point. Like it. Totally agree.